Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the EXPON.DIST function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is used to return the exponential distribution with the use of certain arguments. So the arguments inside of this function are the x, that is the value of the function, the lambda, that is the parameter value, and finally the cumulative if it's going to be true or false. So if the cumulative is true, the function returns the cumulative distribution function, and if it's false, it returns the probability density function. So in our case, we're going to select true. Now, in order to write down this function, it's pretty simple. We start with an equal sign, and then we can just write down EXPON.DIST, and we can open up our parentheses. Once it's done, the next step is selecting our parameters. So the first one will be the x at 0.45. And then we're going to select the lambda, that is right here. And finally, the cumulative, either true or false. So as you can see, if it's true, cumulative distribution function, and false, probability density function. So we'll select true, since here we have true. And then we can just close our parentheses. And just like that, we are going to have our cumulative exponential distribution function with the parameters that are just here. So this is how we use the EXPON.DIST function inside of Microsoft Excel. So if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, you can check out the courses on the link down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.